Welcome to Better Health Info. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, can cause significant discomfort and lead to more serious health issues if not managed properly. In today's video, we'll share why it's important to combat acid reflux as well as 6 natural ways to do so. While acid reflux is uncomfortable and at times debilitating for those suffering, it can cause a wealth of health issues. First, chronic acid reflux can damage the lining of the esophagus, leading to conditions like esophagitis or Barrett's esophagus, which can increase the risk of esophageal cancer. Second, persistent acid reflux can result in complications such as strictures or narrowing of the esophagus and breathing problems due to acid entering the airways. Third, acid reflux often causes discomfort and pain, impacting daily activities and sleep. Managing it can significantly improve quality of life, and we all know how important good rest is to our overall health. Fourth, stomach acid can also erode tooth enamel if it frequently reaches the mouth, leading to unwanted dental issues. Last, ongoing reflux can cause chronic inflammation, contributing to other health issues like asthma and chronic cough. Some treatments for acid reflux can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies over time. Because of this, it's always a good health habit to do what we can to combat acid reflux naturally. First, avoid trigger foods. Identify and avoid foods that trigger reflux, such as spicy foods, citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, caffeine, and fatty or fried foods. Next, eat smaller, more frequent meals. Smaller meals reduce the pressure on the stomach, helping to prevent acid from backing up into the esophagus. Third, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, can increase pressure on the stomach and lower esophageal sphincter, leading to reflux. Losing weight can reduce this pressure and alleviate symptoms. Fourth, elevate the head of your bed. Elevating the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches can prevent acid from flowing back into the esophagus while sleeping. Gravity helps keep the acid in your stomach where it belongs. Fifth, avoid lying down after eating. Wait at least 2-3 hours after eating before lying down or going to bed. This allows time for your stomach to empty and reduces the chance of reflux. 6. Chew gum. Gum stimulates saliva production, which can help neutralize stomach acid and promote its clearance from the esophagus. 7. Incorporate natural remedies like ginger, aloe vera, and apple cider vinegar. Consuming ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to meals can help reduce inflammation and alleviate reflux symptoms. Aloe vera juice can soothe the esophagus and reduce inflammation. It's best consumed in small amounts due to its laxative effect. Diluted apple cider vinegar, 1-2 teaspoons in a glass of water, can help balance stomach acidity. This remedy may not work for everyone, so it's best to try it cautiously. By implementing these natural strategies, individuals can manage acid reflux symptoms more effectively and improve their overall digestive health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if symptoms are severe or persistent. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates in health news, health tips, and more.